On today's video, I'm just gonna be Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. On today's video, I'm just going to be doing a look with my November Boxycharm items. So all the items I received in my November Boxycharm, and the complexion pack, I'm going to be using that. So yeah, I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to add in a video clip of this mask, me using this mask before bedtime. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the video, guys. Starting off, I just want to show you that I used the mask. That mask is amazing. So here's a little video clip of me using the mask before bedtime. Okay guys, so before I go to bed, I'm going to try this mask. Starry Eyes, the self-warming mask. So I'm going to put it on. Okay, so this is how the mask looks. So cute. Oops. So you open it, you just put it around your eyes. Try to do this with one hand. Ooh, I feel the warmth. Feels very warm. Okay. Good night. So now getting into this look. This video just basically gonna be me showing you all the items from my November Boxycharm. So all the other items that I use is gonna be cut out just to let you know. So starting off with the first item from my Boxycharm is the Farsali, the Rose Gold 24 Karat Gold Spray. Y'all see the rose gold pieces in there? This is amazing. And when you spray it on your skin, you can actually see the rose gold pieces. Amazing. Smells great. Oh, I can see some of the rose gold pieces. I don't know if you guys can. Like through here, through here. Nice, nice, nice. So I'm using it, well, I already put on a primer, so I'm using it up under my makeup, then I'm using it to set my face with. All right, foundation and brows are done. Now it's time to try this Pretty Vulgar, the Undercover Lightweight Concealer that was in my complexion pack. So I'm gonna be trying that with this look. And like in my unboxing video, which one did I pick? The middle ground, the medium one, which is this one. I'm going to be trying that, and I may try this just to see how it does as the contour. So that's Midnight Mystique. That's the rich color. Because the other two was a little bit too light for me. So see how the contour color does first. Doesn't look like it's going to be like too dark. So do my nose. No, I'm not going to do my nose. Let's see. And I'm just using the same beauty sponge that I did with my foundation. So let's see. Well, it's pretty cool. It's a subtle contour. Gives me a subtle contour color. This can be like an everyday everyday contour look. So if I want like a more snatch contour look, then I'll go darker. But this one's pretty cool. Ooh, it blends out really good. Really easy to blend out. And it doesn't make me look gray. It doesn't have a gray tint. That is good. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But of course, in the complexion pack, we can only pick one. Of course, I'll be picking my highlight shade that, you know, I'm gonna highlight with. So that'll be the medium. So let's try that. Like it's a pretty cool highlight color. It seems similar to my Too Faced Born This Way and What I'm Saying. Pretty similar. Let's see how it blends out. I really like the way this concealer blends out. Okay, so I got the concealer set, which I'm loving it. So now time to use the brushes that came in my November Boxycharm. These are the Boxycharm exclusive brushes. So I'm using it for my powder. So I'm gonna use this one first. And this is to set the rest of my face with my powder. Ooh, bit too much. Nice brush. I'm liking this brush. Like I said in my unboxing video, I love like soft and dense brushes. Like it's really good with powders and liquids. So now for my other brush, I'm going to use the other brush, which is the little smaller one, and I'm going to use that for my bronzer, or I'll just say contour. I'm just going to use a bronzer or contour with, so I'm going to use this brush with it. Nice size. Okay, Boxycharm, I'm loving these brushes. Oh yeah. Y'all don't laugh at my lashes. It's time for a feel. So today, I'm just gonna add a strip lash on top. See how it does for my nose. Oh, cool. I do my nose with it. I like the shape of it, and wow, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Love the brushes, Boxycharm. Now time for the eyes. So I was supposed to do my eyes first, so I hope this palette don't have any fallout. So another item from my November Boxycharm is this Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It's the Celestial Thunder. Hey, what colors do I want to do? Oh my gosh, I don't know, because all of the swatches, I loved them. So let's see. So for my crease, let's do the Lunar Eclipse. Blends out very well. Pretty color. Look at that pigment. And I'm applying it lightly. This is a pretty crease color. Oh, no fallout, yay! Storm dust. That's to deepen it. I'm trying to incorporate all the colors I can. So next I'm going to take black matter. Now I'm going to use the color Fireball. This is a pretty color as well. This palette, so pretty. As well the finger too. Let's try it different ways. So for the inner tear duct, I'm going to use Eternal Light. So before I do my under eye, I'm going to go ahead and do the lipstick. So this came in my Boxycharm as well for the month of November. This is Dose of Colors, their liquid lipstick in Flirty. Really nice color. Now I have dry lips and I forgot to put some chapstick on under it. That's a must because it shows. Another thing I'm going to do is line it because it's a little bit light. It's like a peachy neutral, which is a pretty color. I love it. But I'm going to have to line it. So I'm going to line it and do my under eyes. I'll be back. Alright, applied the lip liner. I'm liking this lip color. I really like this. If I want to go for a peachy nude then in a matte color, then I'll do this. I like it. I like it, like it, like it. And the shadows, I love it. And I applied just a little thin strip of liner, but my lashes, it's time for my fill. So what I'm going to do is add a strip lash on top. I will show you guys the box because this is one of my strip lash lines. So coming out with my own strip lash line, guys. So once everything is up and running, I'll make sure I show you guys the pictures and stuff. So you're going to get a little glimpse of what type of lashes I have. And I'm excited, y'all. I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna pop that on top of there and I'll be back. Before I pop it on, I just want to show you guys before I actually put it on top of my extensions. So this is one of the pair of the lashes. Oops, let me move that. So this is one of the pair. One of the wispy pair. So pretty. See the weft of it, it's thin, it's easy to apply. Excited. Strip lashes are on. Look how pretty. I'm loving them. And even though it's on top of my lash extensions, a lot of them shed it anyway, but you can still see the strip lash. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. But yeah. So now I'm gonna go back to my Farsali spray to set everything into place. Okay guys, so this completes the look using all of my November Boxycharm items. This box, I was so excited, especially for the spray. Well, for everything. I'm always excited to get my boxes. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video of this look. And don't forget to be looking out for when I launch my lash line. I'm excited about that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the look and what the colors. I'm loving like the shadow. Look at these colors and the pigment, so pretty. The overall look, the lipstick, everything, I love it. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in and stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed guys, bye.